Today I will talk about parallel words. Do you know a book called Coraline? This book is about another word that is similar to that word. We call this word a parallel word. The word parallel means two or more lines that never meet each other. So parallel words mean two or more words that are similar but never meet each other. I think you might know about Einstein. This famous person talked about parallel words within black holes. Do you know Narnia? Narnia is a story about another world. Now some people can be thinking that Narnia is one of parallel words, but Narnia is different from them. As I said before, parallel words are similar to our word, but in the word of Narnia is totally different from our word. Now we might know, but like stories with Coraline, we can say it's a story about parallel words. Now we might know enough about this subject. Then do you think parallel words are real? As you might know, our world, our university exactly are getting bigger every second. That could mean there's more outer space beyond from our space. So I think there could be parallel worlds. If parallel worlds are real, do you want to travel to them? If I can go there, I would want to. In Coraline, the main character's name in Coraline who goes to a parallel world and fights a wicked witch. But I'm not going to tell you that you might fight a witch. I mean, we don't know what is living in the outer world. But we can learn something, and I want to know what parallels are like. We are living in our world. When scientists find black holes, some said there might be another world. We now this word called parallel worlds. It's a mystery, but right now when I get thinking about other words, I will use all my imagination to find another word. Do you believe they exist? Thank you for listening my speech.